Ceiling fan, guys. This is the JMC Econn vintage 5-blade ceiling fan. And we have another here at the kitchen. It is the Westinghouse Contempra 5-blade ceiling fan. There. And I will not open this because I will not use it. It's just in the living area. We put it on low. It is remote controlled. If you see, lights on, lights off, there. And it has DC motor. There you have it. I put it on low. It has 6 speeds. So I put it on 1, which is the lowest. And there's fan and reverse. And all off. Fan off, light off, and all off. And you can manually off this. So yes guys, I will update you again on September 18, which is a ceiling fan day. Bye guys.